back at the studio, fresh from the IT show in Singapore. From the old Sony headphones that I have first. Lahat sila wired. So now, when I went to the IT show last week, so naghanap ako ng pinakamurang headphone na wireless and Bluetooth. So, I browsed through the brochures that they have. So as you can see here, marami silang mga offers. So like cameras and doon. So I was looking at the cheapest I can buy na wireless headphones. Of course, andun din yung mga high-end ito. So this portion here, of course, nasa taas yung high-end. This with the noise cancelling, which is the WH-1000X-M3. So ito yung mga original prices nila, pero may discount. Hindi ko na matandaan kung magkano. So while I was browsing, nakita ko yung isang model dito, which is the CH-400, which is $89 Singaporean dollars. Pero during the IT show, it's only I think 55. So murang-mura, wireless na, Bluetooth pa. So ito yun. So this one. So we're gonna quickly unbox this one. And also maybe adjust ko lang yung camera. Ayan. Okay. So we set aside all the rest of the headphones. So yung kagandahan dun sa IT show is, of course, you can get great deals from the electronics that they are selling. Okay, so it's very easy to open. So this is the CH-400. So makita natin na may NFC support, which is Bluetooth, 20 hours of battery. And then I think mayroong microphone. And then this one, I don't know this feature, pero ito siya. Okay. So tingnan natin kung ano nasa loob. So kumbaga ito na yung pangmasa na Bluetooth na wireless na Sony headphone. So para most of us can enjoy the wireless experience. So ito yung kasama niya. So most probably the charging cable. Ayan. And of course the manual, which most people don't read, of course. And then ito yung ayan. So very simplistic. So you just adjust this one. Ayan. Marami daw kulay na black, pero naubos na siya. So okay lang. So good enough for daily use. You got the power. So tingnan natin kung meron siyang power. I'm not sure if there is an LED. There is. It's blinking red. Baka kulang ng power. I don't know. Hindi naman tayo nagbabasa ng manual. But anyway, we will try to pair it with I have here, of course, my old Xperia Z3. This one can deliver also so wala siyang power. So let me get the power bank and return and resume to record the video. Okay, so we got our power bank. Siyempre, Sony rin. So we try to charge it initially para man lang ma-detect ng cellphone natin yung headphone. Okay, so we try to charge this. So nasa standard USB, hindi siya USB-C. Okay, so now it's charging. Okay, so just the basic controls here. I think this is volume and up down volume, and then we have track, skipping, forward, backwards, then of course the power. So tingnan natin kung makikita na siya ng cellphone. Okay, so I figured out how to pair now. So ipa-power lang after charging it, i-turn on lang siya. Yan. So it will blink blue and red. And then sa cellphone natin, we just go to the Bluetooth section there. And then more settings. Ayan. So lumabas na yung CH-400. So we'll try to pair it. Ayan, connected na tayo. Tingnan natin. Kasi naalala ko meron siyang, ayan. So you have here clear audio, and then dynamic normalizer, and then manual adjust of enhancements. So tingnan natin to. Ayan, so S4. So basta marami siyang settings. So even though this is an old Sony headphone, so clear audio, ayan. And then we also have, I think all the rest are for the notifications. So I tried powering up, let's say, so medyo bassy yung sound niya, pero siguro pwedeng i-adjust sa software kung saan man yung or equalizer dun sa audio settings ng phone nyo. So okay na rin siya. So this is good enough for a 55 Singaporean dollar headphone. So murang-mura. I don't know what is the local price. So hanapin nyo lang dito sa Sony store. Okay, that's it for now. So thank you for watching.